Hello people, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this animated scrolling testimonial effect in your WordPress website using Claude AI with just ROM. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to prepare is the contents for our testimonial, which includes the names, the pictures, and the roles of these people right here. And to do that, you want to open up a doc file which I have already created right here. So here is a doc file. You can use your Google Doc for that as well. And right here I have the names of these people right here. So I have John Smith, and his role is CEO, and the review of this person. Now if I go back to it right here, you can see we have the name, the picture, and all of this. So I have all of this set up right here, and then we have this placeholder for photo. Now here we are going to include the link to the pictures of these people right here. And to do that, I have downloaded some images. Of course, you can use the real images of these people if you are creating a real testimonial, but for the sake of this tutorial, I have some images. Now I will provide the link to this doc file and also the images I'll be using in this tutorial, so you can as well go ahead and download it and use it to follow along in this tutorial. All right, so over here are the images I have prepared for this testimonial, and these are the people that will be in this testimonial. If I just do like this, and now I want to go ahead and rename these images to their respective names. Now if you know them, just put in their names. We're just doing this so that we can recognize them when we upload these images on WordPress. I will show you why in a bit. All right, so here is John Smith. So I'm going to copy his name and I want to rename this guy as John Smith. All right, so here's John Smith and Fatima below. Here is Fatima below. Just do this for all of your images. Go ahead, rename them to their respective names right here. All right, so I am done renaming all of my images, and now this is John Smith. All of them has been named respectively right here. All right, so now we are going to upload these images on our WordPress website. Just before we move ahead to Cloud AI. All right, so I will open up the dashboard of my WordPress website and upload these images right there. All right, so I'm here at the back end of my website, and I'm going to head over to media. So click on media right here, and I'm going to click on add media file to add our images, right? So select files, and I'm going to select all the images that we have renamed and click on open. All right, so once your images have been uploaded on WordPress, now we want to paste the links for these images in our doc file. So I'm just going to open up our doc file right here, and I'm going to place the tabs side by side so that we can see them. All right, so over here is my dashboard, and here is the doc file. So John Smith, I need the URL for the image of John Smith, and I think this was John Smith. So this is why you need to rename them, except of course if you know these people by heart. So I'm going to scroll down here, copy the URL for this guy who is John Smith, and head over to your doc file and paste it right here under the photo label. Right, so I'm going to click here, and Fatima below, and I think this lady right here is Fatima below. Right, okay, so I'm also going to copy a URL and paste the URL for picture right here. Now we're doing this so that Cloud AI can locate the pictures of these people on our media file when it is designing that scrolling testimonial, right? So that it can basically just find these pictures and put them in the testimonial. Okay, so you can now go ahead, copy the URL links for the rest of them, just like I am doing now, and place them where they are supposed to be in the doc file. So I'm going to go ahead and do this quickly, and then we'll be back. Right, so I am done copying all the URL and pasting them in their respective placeholders right here. So you can see all the reviews now have the links to their various profile images right here. So once you've done this, you can go ahead and save your doc file, and then let's open up Cloud AI. All right, so I'm here in Cloud AI. Now, if you don't have Cloud AI, you can go ahead and download the application in cloud.ai. Just visit their website, get it downloaded, and you can as well use the browser version of Cloud AI. Now, we're going to be using the free version, so you don't necessarily have to have the pro version to do this for yourself. We're going to be using the Cloud Chat. All right, so having said that, I have a prompt right here, which I'm going to basically paste. All right, so right here is the prompt and it's quite a lot, but we're just going to go through the basics and edit some placeholders that I have right here so that we can make this prompt ours. Now I'm going to read through it. So it says, I have a WordPress website and I need a scrolling testimonial section with, so right here, you want to choose the theme of your website. So if you have a light theme website, go ahead, use a light theme. But in my case, I have a dark theme website. So I'm going to delete this and now it says with dark theme. All right, so going on, you can go ahead and read this, but I know the placeholders that we basically need to edit, so I'm just going to jump right to them. So the section heading should say, so right here you want to put your heading. Now the heading is this text right here, so what the user should say, and the description right here. So if I go back now, I'm going to replace this with what my clients say, because my website is actually a portfolio website. So I'm going to remove this and paste in this. So the heading is going to say what my clients say, and the description, whatever you want your description to be, mine is going to be this one, this text right here. So see what my satisfied clients say. And then over here you can choose your font. So the section heading and description text should use the font. So right here, go ahead and I'm going to remove all of this because I want the Poppins font. So kind of font you want right here. Now just make sure it's a Google font, right? So that Cloud AI does not struggle to get the right font. All right, so these are the basics that you basically need to edit in this prompt. You can go ahead and change the columns. So you can see we have 3 scrolling columns. If you want it to be 4 or 5, you can choose it right here, but I'm fine with 3, and the total is going to be 9 because all the testimonials are 9 in number. So make sure that everything is in alignment. So once you're satisfied with your prompt, now the next thing we're going to do is to attach the doc file that we had created. Now remember the doc file we created with the names and the reviews and the links to the pictures of these people. So make sure you have saved them and then basically just attach them. So I'm going to drag it into Cloud AI right here, and you can also use this plus sign to do that. So click on this plus sign and click on the attach option. Now once you're satisfied with your prompt, just go ahead and click on send, and Cloud AI is basically going to do its magic and create an HTML file for us. So let's wait while it does that. All right, so Cloud Chat has generated the scrolling testimonial for us, and over here you can see a preview of what it actually looks like. Now this is super cool. Now you can see there's this hovering effect. The images are not showing just yet because it doesn't have access to those image files just yet. So when we upload it on our WordPress website, it will be there. Now it has also provided an HTML file right here. So what you want to do now is to click on it to download it into your system. So I'm going to click, and this will open up on a browser, which is right here. Now you can see what our scrolling testimonial looks like right here, and now you can see it has the pictures because now it has access to the images on my laptop. All right, so now let's get this into our WordPress website. All right, so I'm right here on my WordPress website, and now we're going to be using the Elementor page builder, right? So what you want to do now is click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down to the section on my website where I want this testimonial to be included. And I think I want it after this because I basically want to replace it with this one right here. So I'm going to click on the plus sign right here. And over here at the element section, let's search for HTML. So we're basically going to drag this HTML widget right here into this section. And the first thing we want to do is make sure it's a full width section by clicking on this section right here, and then content width, let's make it a full width. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is now open up the file that Claude AI has given us. So I'm going to click inside of this section. We need the HTML code which Claude AI has given us, which I'm sure you have downloaded as well. So I'm going to drag in this window right here. Now here is the HTML file that I downloaded from Cloud Code, which, if you remember, is this one right here. Okay, so now what you want to do is right click on top of this and click on edit in Notepad. So I'm going to click on edit in Notepad, which is basically going to open up the code for this testimonial carousel right here. So click on Control A to select everything, and click on Control C to copy everything. And once you have that copied, you want to head over here to the HTML code and paste in all of this code that you have. And once you paste that in, you can see now that this scrolling testimonial is now on my website, and you can see it functions well. If I hover over this, you can see it stops and it just has this nice animation effect to it. So now I have added this to my website, and if I check on the tablet view, you can see it is well optimized, and for the mobile view as well, it is as well optimized, and it's scrolling super nicely. All right, so once you're satisfied with what you have right here, you can go ahead and click on publish, and that will basically get it published on your website. All right, guys, so that is how you create this scrolling testimonial effect in your WordPress website using Claude AI. I hope this video has been pretty much helpful. If it is, please like this video, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.